Hello and welcome to Outlandish Marine. My name is Captain Outlandish, and today we're going to look at a new project, a Nautaline 34 houseboat that I just got, named Ozymandias. Here we are on the Hillsborough River right now. So first things first, we're going to step on board. So here we're walking down the dock from the river shore. Just a short step down. The tide here is not too bad. First off, you can see that it's got a nice wide aft deck. Underneath this aft deck used to be the Crusader IO engine. That's an inboard outboard that was replaced with a outboard motor bracket, but the outboard motor bracket is incorrectly installed and is not going to be used ever again. We've got other plans for that. So let's take a walk on down the side deck here. You can see the upper deck there. Rather narrow side decks. And then we go into the pilot house. Now, first things first. I've gutted almost this entire boat in the last few weeks. And so you can see the floor, the framing above my head, which is all the ceiling framing. You can see the bare panels behind me. The boat isn't built with a solid core. They used plywood along with the fiberglass. This is relatively strong, but it does give a little bit of flex to the structure itself. So where I'm at right now would have been the pilot house. The steering used to be in center right here. We're moving it over to starboard, and I've got my bunk here, which is just literally an air mattress for right now. I'll be building a bunk over there, a twin size bunk. So stepping down into the main salon here. We've got the old railing there that's going. We're keeping the steps. What's interesting to note is this place right here. This is an actual cabin underneath the pilot house, and we call it Narnia because it used to be accessed through the closet. But that's staying the same. It's a fiberglass liner interior. It's in good condition. It's clean. As you can see, we've got some plywood on the floor in here because there was some rot right here. So this is just sitting down temporarily. You can see kind of a mess over there. We've been working on that. Like I said, most of the interior's been gutted out. I've moved all of the galley arrangement basically to the back of the boat and built it temporarily. Just a temporary mock-up. Nothing special. You know, we've got our Coleman stove over here and a toaster oven and microwave, and there's just on a movable stand. This is a fold-up table. This was the original refrigerator that came with it, which is it's pretty decent, but we're probably going to be removing this and going to smaller units that'll be below the countertops. Don't want to waste the interior volume anymore after opening her up this far. Of course, on this side of the boat, here in the aft cabin, this is going to be my workbench. Eventually, this will be installed. As you can see, it's kind of a makeshift arrangement at the moment, but it does work. What's really nice about this aft cabin is that they put these very, very large windows back here. This used to be a cabin that would be for accommodation and sleeping. But with the large windows, we're gonna put the galley back here, and then a workbench on the other side. And that means that instead of the aft cabin being for accommodations, we're gonna move basically all of the accommodations are gonna move up to the forward part of the boat, which you can see we have mostly open out, just gear storage right here. This will be a full-length bunk, and then on the other side, where right next to the railing there. That's going to be the head compartment. It'll be much smaller than the original, and it will have a integrated shower, and then probably a love seat just generally in this area, just outside of the bathroom. But that's the first tour of the boat here, Ozymandias, which is I believe 1971 Nautaline 34. Keep in tune for more videos about us doing this rebuild. This will be our new waterborne offices. So hope everybody's having a good day out there. And from Outlandish Marine and Captain Outlandish, This is Captain Outlandish signing off. Have a good day.